Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Nurul Hidayati. Okay, in this video today, I want to retell a story. The story is The Arrogant Cat. I think the story is very interesting, and why I choose this story because I love cat very much. So, before I retell the story, I want to introduce the character in this story. First, their cat. Second, their chicken. Third, there are 11, and then the fourth is worm. Okay, let's start to the story. A long time ago, in a dense forest lies, there are very much animals. Among the animals which live is an arrogant cat. They're very clean, hairy, and smooth white. So many animals will like it, but she was too proud and arrogant to access. One day, the cat won't live alone without her family because she felt it was great to reign for themselves without help to her family. On her way, she resting near to the chicken's family. Oh, I want to rest here. In the morning, "Kukuruyu, kukuruyu! Hey chicken, presumptions of you to wake up with your son. Your son is ugly." Chicken's family very angry. They repel the cat. "Hey cat, go away!" And the cat left from there. And then the cat felt so tired, and the cat sleeping in the elephant's shoulder. "Oh, I am so tired. I wanna sleep here." When the elephants wake up, oh, the elephant accidentally dropped the cat. "Hey you, fool elephant! Why you drop me? Do you wanna kill me?" And then the elephant closer. "Oh, you are so beautiful cat." But the cat scratches elephant, and the elephant rampants. Oh no, and make the cats directed to ah. And then after that, the cat very upset and angry. She tired and looked for food on the ground. She meets worms. "Hey worm, oh, you are so beautiful cat, but why did you take my food?" "Oh, all animals are well aware of my beauty because I was entitled to do as I want." That cat snapped. "What, you can survive in the soil? Ha 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 ha! It's a little things." And then cats and worm made a deal. Eventually, after a day kept on the ground, a worm tried to see, but when the worm see the cat was died. "Oh, the cat was died. I should meet her family." But when her family arrived, the arrogant cat was eaten by a lion. "Oh, my sister, I don't want to live alone. Oh, my sister." Okay, the moral message from this story is never be arrogant because everyone has their own advantage. So, I think that's all the story. Sorry for my mistakes. Don't forget to like and comment my videos. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye everyone.